In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to enabling adding UPI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add UPI as a deposit option in your Exness personal area so you can pay quickly and securely. All you'll need is your Exness login, a stable internet connection, and a UPI app like Google Pay or PhonePe on your phone. Start by logging into your Exness personal area on the official website. Make sure you're on the genuine site and connected to a secure network. Enter your credentials and follow any security prompts you normally use. Keeping your login details private and avoiding public Wi-Fi is always a good idea when handling payments. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Finance or Payments and choose Deposit. The wording may vary slightly depending on your interface, but you're looking for the area where you add funds. This is where Exness lists all available payment methods for your account. From the list of payment methods, select UPI. You'll see various options, but UPI is what enables fast, app-based transfers from your bank account. If you're new to UPI, it's simply a unique handle linked to your bank used to send and receive money instantly. During the deposit process, you'll be prompted to enter your UPI ID. This is the exact handle that appears in your UPI app. Type it carefully, paying attention to spelling and the part after the @ symbol, as that identifies your UPI provider. If you're unsure, open your UPI app and look for your ID in the profile section so you can copy it accurately. After you submit your UPI ID, you'll receive a payment request in your UPI app. Open the app on your phone, confirm that the request shows the correct merchant details and amount, and then approve it. If notifications are off, open the app manually and check the pending requests. Always verify the details before authorizing to keep your account secure. Once the payment is confirmed in your UPI app, Exness will automatically verify it. Your UPI ID will then be linked to your Exness account for future use, so next time you won't need to re-enter it. This makes subsequent deposits faster and reduces the chance of typing mistakes. That's it. You've logged in, gone to payments, selected deposit, chosen UPI, entered your UPI ID, confirmed in your app, and your UPI is now linked. If you don't see the confirmation right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. You're all set to enjoy smoother deposits with UPI on Exness.